So good afternoon everybody, it's from Jayashree. I'm going to take merits and demerits of backpropagation from artificial intelligence and neural networks. This is what this merits and demerits of backpropagations. Merits, okay. So the first point is what? Relatively simple implementation. Okay. Standard method and generally works well. Okay. Mathematical formula used in algorithm can be applied to any networks. It does not require any special mention of the features of the function to be learned. Okay. Computing time is reduced if the weight chosen are small at the beginning. Batch updates of weight exist, which provides smoothing on the weight correction terms. Next one, demerits of backpropagation. Okay. Slow and inefficient. Okay. It can get stuck in local minima, resulting in suboptimal solutions. A large amount of input and output data is available, but you are not sure how to relate it to the output. Okay. A large amount of input and output data is available, but you are not sure how to relate it to the output. The problems appears to have overwhelming complexity, but there isn't clearly a solution. It is easy to create a number of examples of the correct behavior. The solution to the problem may change over time within the bounds of the given input and output parameters. But in the future, we may find that 2 plus 2 is equal. Then we may find that 2 plus 2 is what? 3.8. Outputs can be fuzzy or non-numeric. Robotics. The Lego Mindstorms robotic invention system is a kit for building and programming Lego robots. It consisting of 718 Lego bricks, including 2 motors and 2 touch sensors and 1 light sensor, an infrared tower and a robot brain called as RCX. The RCX is a large disk that contains a microcontroller and an infrared probe. You can attach the kit with 2 motors and the 3 sensors by snapping wire bricks on the RCX. The infrared port allows the RCX to communicate with your desktop computer. A rover boat constructed in the Lego Mindstorms Constructpedia has been used as a guide for constructing robots. Backpropagation networks. A backpropagation network has to be modeled for our rover boat. The robot has 3 inputs and 2 outputs. A 3-layer backpropagation network has been used where we change the unit index to begin with 0. So first one, this is what the behavior rules: sensor 1, sensor 2, sensor 3. Okay. First one is what? Sensor 1, X0. Okay, X1, X2. 1 is what? Input layer. H1 is what? Output, hidden layer. And O1 and O0 and O1 are the output layer. Moving forward, if sensor 1 is off and sensor 2 is a white floor and sensor 3 is off, the motor A and C goes forward. Okay. If sensor 1 and 3 is off and sensor 2 is this white floor, the robot goes forward. Okay. Next one, moving right. Okay. Moving right in the sense, if the sensor is 1, if sensor 1 is on, then a motor A goes forward and the motor C goes backward. Next, moving left. If sensor 3 is on, then motor A goes backward and motor C goes forward. Okay. Next one, moving backward. If sensor 2 is over the back floor, then motor A and motor C goes backward. Okay. This is what the rules to learn. If rule 1, 2, 3, 4, sensor 1 off and sensor 1 on is sensor 2. This is what this formula, depending upon this on and off state, the motor will go forward or backward. Okay, this is what physical inputs and physical outputs. S0, S1, S2, S3, MA, MC. Lego Mindstorms robots are cool toys used by hobbyists. It's all around the world. They provide suitable for building mobile robots and programming them with artificial intelligence. these are the rules we are following to learn in the motor moves forward and backward. So thank you all.